The DMS Rotator Bucket is a leveling bucket with an integrated rotation. The movement options, especially on excavators with tilt function, are seamlessly extended by the rotator bucket. The gearbox that enables rotation is built directly into the bucket body. This design ensures low weight and a compact build, optimizing both handling and payload performance on the excavator. The bucket uses a robust worm gear to drive the rotation. This gear is fully enclosed and designed to handle high loads, ensuring a long service life. The hydraulic motor that drives the auger is also integrated into the bucket body for protection. It is designed for high hydraulic pressure, meaning no individual settings are required on the excavator, making the handling particularly easy. The space-saving integration of the hydraulic motor is made possible by the integrated oil flow. The rotation can move clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on how the excavator's auxiliary circuit is controlled. A leakage oil line is not required. By integrating rotation directly into the bucket, the excavator stick tip remains light, narrow, and durable. This allows for unrestricted digging, even in tight spaces, without risking damage to sensitive components. Additionally, the maximum volume can be moved with each cycle during material handling. In summary, the DMS Rotator Bucket is a durable, efficient, and cost-effective addition to any construction fleet.